Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I am super excited to take you all on a virtual tour of my smart home. As technology continues to advance, our homes have become more smarter, more efficient and more convenient at the same time. So let's dive right in and let me show you how I transform my 25-year-old house into a smart house. Yes guys, we just had a renovation and I decided to make all the necessary essential everyday things to smart. You don't need to buy a new house just to make it smart. You can just spend a little bit of money and make all the things that are essential to you smart. So in this video, firstly I will show you all the smart gadgets that I use on a daily basis, and then later in the video I will show you how to set up custom commands and routines so that everything is automated. So let's dive right in. This is my living room guys, and this is the smartest room that we have in the house, as most of the things that you see here is smart. Let's start of course with the king of all the smart devices, and that is the Amazon Echo Plus. Yes, this is the 2019 model that we have, but it works great and it has better quality speakers than the regular Echo devices. So I use this Alexa to control all the smart devices in my home and it works very well. I'll show you in just a moment. I also use this as my go-to music hub because I have linked all my music services like JioSaavn, Gaana, Spotify and Apple Music to it, so you can play any album or any song just by asking Alexa to play it, which is super convenient. I can't demo this as we have copyright issues on YouTube if we play any licensed song, but I will surely demo the next thing that I am about to show you. Guys, having a device like this Echo or a Google Assistant is not only to control your smart home, it can also be used for basic things like setting up reminders or timers, or even just asking a simple question right from where you are sitting. So just having these devices make your home half smarter. The second thing that's smart here is this fan. This is the Orient AeroSlim Smart Ceiling Fan with built-in support for Alexa and Google. It also comes with its own remote if you are not able to use your voice assistant sometimes. We have an entire separate video for this product on our channel, so if you want you can check it out right here. So we always use Alexa to turn on, turn off the fan and also to change its speed. You can also set timers and routines so this fan can automatically turn on and off at your preferred time or preferred action. The next set of things are the air conditioner, the TV and the set-top box. Now none of them actually have any support for Alexa or Google, but we have a tiny device right here to make all these three things smart, and here it is. It's called the Oak Remote by Oakter. What it does is it can act as a remote to any device having a IR sensor like AC, TV or set-top box, and it has Alexa and Google support. So you can link all your non-smart IR devices to the Oakter app, and then you can link your Oakter account to Alexa. We also have a separate video on this product as well. If you want you can check it out right here. So after doing this process you can just ask Alexa to turn on or off your AC, TV and the set-top box. It can even mute and unmute your TV. Not every function will work, but the basic things that you need to do can easily be done with this little gadget. So now in the Alexa app you can also combine multiple devices into a single command. What does that mean? Well, in summers you frequently want to switch between your fan and AC, so you can just say Alexa, kill the heat. So it automatically turns on the AC and turns off the fan. When you are chilled you can just say Alexa, normal, and this time the fan turns on and the AC is off. You can do this by going into Alexa app and going into routines. From here you just need to set your commands of your choice and select the actions that you want to perform. We also have a video on setting up Alexa, so again if you want to check it out you can check it out right here. This way you can just combine any number of devices with any command of your choice. Before we move ahead, if you want to buy any of the smart gadgets that we mentioned in this video, links for all the products are there in the description box below. So go ahead, click the link and see the magic. Now let's talk about the lights. Let's actually walk into the dining room now. This room also has the same fan as the living room, so you can set custom commands for switching between these fans too. And both the rooms have the same non-smart lights, and both the rooms also have the non-smart switchboards. So how do we make them smart? Well, we use this. This is a tiny circuit that you need to attach behind any switch that you want to make smart, and it is called Tingsy. So we have this installed in this switchboards. I haven't made a separate video for this as the main thing here is the installation process, for which you need an electrician. So after you do that, the Tingsy app recognizes the smart switches and you can again link it to Alexa or Google. Once you do that, you can just say Alexa, lights off, and boom, there you go. It's that easy. I have even set up a command which turns on or off everything in the dining room. So let's say Alexa, dining room on, and there you go. So guys, you can actually purchase this Tingsy smart switches as per your needs. You can select 1 node, 2 nodes, 4, 6 or 8 nodes, and it is also available for fans with regulators. So you can just make your current fan a smart fan just by installing this thing in your switchboards. Awesome, isn't it? Now let's go on the first floor, guys. In this bedroom we have our smart fan, and it is the Atomberg Renesas Smart Plus. We already have a video on this and it is the most watched video on the channel. So if you want to know the details about it, you can just click on this card. This also has Alexa and Google support, and we also have a cute little remote for it. You can also set timers and scenes for it if you want. And in this room we actually have a Google Assistant instead of Alexa. So let's say, hey Google, turn on fan 3. And there you go, works perfectly fine. We also have a smart RGB light in this room which is not installed, it's just kept like that, and this one's also compatible with Alexa and Google. This is the VPRO Smart RGB light. Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Google, light to blue. See, works great. The AC again is operated by the Oak remote, so I just turn it on before I come to this bedroom in the summer. It's super convenient and works very well to turn the AC on and off. Last but not the least, let's take a look at my smart plugs, guys. These are the VPRO smart plugs, again compatible with both Alexa and Google. So I have attached these plugs on my terrace and they control the pressure pumps for hot and cold water. So whenever I go for a bath, I just ask Alexa to turn the pumps on and later I turn it off. Video for the smart plugs is also there on the channel, you can go ahead and check it out. So guys, these were all the smart gadgets that I use on a daily basis. Now I'll show you all these gadgets in action. I'll show you all the routines and custom commands that I have set up so that everything is automated. And trust me guys, this is the best and the most amazing thing that you can do to make your house magical. Let's start from the morning. At 8:30 AM the lights in the dining room automatically turns on. At 9 AM the smart plugs automatically start by themselves so I can have a bath. At 10:30 AM everything in the dining room turns off by itself because nobody sits here after 10:30 AM. At 1:30 PM the smart plugs goes off as everybody completes shower by that time. At sunset all the lights turn on by itself, so we don't need to manage those things. And finally at 11:40 PM the fan of my bedroom turns on with its cute LED lights turned on, and also the smart light turns on. So this is how my bedroom looks like when I enter at night. It looks beautiful. I don't need to turn on any other light, this is more than enough. After around 15 minutes the smart light and the fan's LED light turn off so I can go to sleep comfortably. And lastly in the morning at 8:30 AM the fan goes off when it's time to wake up. So this is how these gadgets are automated throughout the day, so you don't need to worry about these things anymore. They can just take care of themselves. And the best part is when your Wi-Fi is down, you can always go ahead and switch on or off everything manually. Now let me show you some custom commands that I have set. I have set this good night phrase to turn off all the smart gadgets at once. So if I say Alexa, good night, everything is going to turn off. So that is really nice. I have also set up a command to turn off one fan and start another at the same time. So for example, let's see this. Alexa, change. So as you can see the fans just interchange the status, so it saves a lot of time too. So this way you can actually combine any gadgets and set up a custom command so that they all work how you want them to work in just one command. Super easy, super cool. And remember one thing guys, you don't need an Amazon Echo to use Alexa. You can just use it on the app. Yes, it's the same Alexa with all the functionalities. The Echo is just for convenience so that you don't have to use your smartphone every now and then. You can just set a widget in your phone like this and always use Alexa or even Google with one tap from your phone. If you have an Android phone, then you don't even need to do that because the Google Assistant is always there to listen to you. So even if your phone is locked, you can just say, hey Google, turn on the light. And there you go, easy. If you want to buy any of these gadgets that I have shown you today, each and every link is there in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And that's a wrap guys. I hope you like this virtual tour of my smart home. It's truly incredible how technology has transformed the way we live, making our lives more convenient, easier and secure at the same time. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Thank you for joining me today and I will see you in the next video. Stay smart and stay safe.